Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I'll be doing a vlog on a horse riding. It's early in the morning, 9 a.m., and my horse riding time is around 11 a.m. Oh, I hit the bed. I will put this video as it is, and see you guys. To be honest, this GoPro Hero 9 really sucks. And where's my key? Oh fuck. Oh yeah. Yeah, and the weather seems to be very, cloudy this morning, but it's very nice. So I Now I have arrived at the park, so I need to find reception or a front office to check in. This is very. Hi, good morning. I'm here for the horse riding today, but I'm completely lost. So where can I check in for that?
Are you at 10 St. John's Road, Oakland?
Just a second, let me try to Google that one. Oh, okay. It seems like I'm in a different location.
Sorry, what was your name?
My name is Gaurav. Gaurab.
Okay, no worries. We'll see you soon.
Thank you.
Thank you, bye.
Bye.
Head southeast on Providence Access Road, then turn right.
Fuck, I'm in a different location, so I need to go back to the horse riding place, and I don't want to be late. So finally, I'm on the right place and waiting for my ride. And finally, I find some boca here. This is boca.
This is Frankie.
Okay.
Yeah, so hop up on the top step for me. Yeah, so you're gonna put that foot in there. Just wait a second for me to hold the other side.
Okay.
Oh,
You good?
twigs, yeah.
Am I ready?
So watch your trees, yep. Up and over.
Okay.
Jump. I'm gonna make these a bit shorter for you, alright? So just
Okay.
leave your foot out. Belly,
Oh, okay. So it's like
Yeah. and then relax on this.
that. Okay.
Go, you give them a little kick. Yeah,
Like that?
not
Oh,
now.
okay.
Left, we take our left rein and we pull up into our left hip.
Okay.
See how his head bends a bit? And
Okay.
same with right.
What is it doing?
Yeah. Right, ready? Let's just get out. You're going to follow along behind on Texas, and then when you practice your steering in and out of the cones, yeah? Up to your hip. As you go up this hill, you're going to lean forward.
Okay.
Lean forward. As you go down, you're going to lean back, lean forward. Don't pull on there now.
Okay. did you feel when it was running?
Oh, it was really good. Yeah, I was
Did you feel scared?
No, it's alright. How was yours?
It was quite bouncing, so I felt
Yeah.
quite scared.
Yeah.
I thought it would go smooth, but no.
That was pretty good.
Take both feet out. One out, the other one out.
Yeah.
Let go of your reins.
Okay.
Yep. Lean forward like we're going to give him a big cuddle.
Okay.
Yep. Bring that leg over towards me. Yep. Pop them together and jump down.
Wow.
Good job. Alright, away from Texas's bum.
Okay. You're gonna kick
You want to
me.
get kicked.
Yeah, and end of the story. So I thought it didn't meet my expectation, because I have expected like I will be riding like a movie, very fast, jumping here and there. But it was just a basic ride, and we just walk around with the horse for 1.5 hours, I guess, and it was quite really fun, and I enjoyed walking like that. And thank you guys, thanks for watching, and if you have made till here, I think you have enjoyed my video. Bye. See you in the next.